We'll guide you through how to make a Wix website. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to wix.com and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, click on Create New Site, and you'll be prompted to choose the type of website you want to create. You can select from options like Business, Portfolio, or Online Store. After picking your category, Wix will ask if you want to use the Wix Editor or Wix ADI, which stands for Artificial Design Intelligence. For a more personalized touch, choose the Wix Editor. It gives you more control over the design process. You'll start with a template that you can customize. Browse through the template options and select one that fits your style. Once you've chosen a template, click Edit to open the Wix Editor. Here you can customize everything from text to images. Click on any element to edit, change the text by typing directly, and replace images by clicking on them and uploading your own. To add new elements, such as buttons or forms, use the Add button on the left sidebar. Drag and drop these elements wherever you need them on your page. If you want to include additional pages, like an About or Contact page, click on Menus and Pages in the left sidebar and select Add Page. You can then customize these pages just like your home page. To adjust the site's settings, such as SEO or social media links, go to Settings at the top and explore the options. Once you're satisfied with the design, click Publish at the top right to make your website live. You can always continue editing even after publishing. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.